again. It's a Rhinestone.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm going to do part 2 of the Temu haul that I did the other day. So just for anybody that's not heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace with competitive prices. Their prices are unbeatable. I have not found anything on Temu that I can find cheaper anywhere else. Their prices are just crazy. Everything you find on Amazon, you'll find on Temu at probably a fraction of the price. So yeah, anybody that's new, if you've not yet downloaded the app or ordered anything, if you use the link in the description box, you will get, I can't remember if it's 30 or 50% off your first order. New users get really massive savings, so take advantage of that. All product links will be down there as well. So yeah, let's get on with it. The other day, about a week ago I think, was just, I showed all my rhinestone bits and little charms and stuff. And part 2 is just random, little bit of everything. All nail related really, but just random stuff. So I'm going to get straight into it. So I've got this little LED lamp because it looks tiny. I can't remember who it was I saw with this. I saw another YouTuber with it. And it's tiny. It just clamps anywhere you want it. You know, for like Gel X nails, look how small that is. It doesn't take up any of my screen. I can just have it off to the corner there and just stick my hands under it. You're not restricted. It's really cute. It's got a really strong little clamp as well. And it's USB powered. So shall we just turn it on and see if it works? I'll stick pictures on the screen, guys, of the price of everything as well. So it's got a little, is that the on off button? No. Oh, there. It's got one of these on the wire. So you just turn that on. Oh, look. Oh, I don't want to blind you, sorry. So that can just clip off onto the back of, I'm just going to stick it on my nail rack at the back of my desk. Oh, that's perfect. And I can just have it there, just hanging there. Perfect. And just cure your little nails. Do what you're doing, cure it. Or you could clip it onto the front of your desk here and have it in front of you like that. You could put it where you want, couldn't you? I wouldn't put it where the sun doesn't shine though. That would make no sense. I like it. And it just turns off there like that. It's got a good length wire. A lot of these little lamps, the wires are so short. But no, this has got a lot of wireage going on, hasn't it? I'm really happy with that. That was a good buy. Right, so that can stay in there. I'm really happy with that. That's really dinky and cute. Oh yeah, they've got them in white, black and silver, I think, as well. Yeah, all links will be below anyway. Right, what else did I get? I got myself another one of these. This is what you put your glue in. I gave my last one to my mum. It stretches as well, so you can put big bottles in it like that. It holds the smaller bottles as well. It doesn't hold the smaller bottles as tight, but it still stops them from getting knocked over. You'd have to really whack these to knock them over. If you use nail glue, these are a must. You definitely need one of them. Right, I got myself another pack of nail art pens. I do already have quite a few of these, but I got these ones because these have got the teeny tiny little nib. I've got a top coat on. Oh, it's still working. I don't know what that was supposed to be. But yeah, I got these because they've got that teeny tiny little nib. I like them. We'll definitely have to do something with them. It's even got a silver and a gold look. Black, white, silver, gold. And then all the rainbow colours. Cool. I like them. They're cute. And then, guys, I got this. I've never seen one of these with a lid. This just looks like a polygel brush, doesn't it? It's a gem picker upper. So it's got that bit on the end that you push your gems about. Let me show you mine. Yeah, so this is the normal gem picker upper. So it's got that side on it. Exactly the same. I'm trying to put the lid on that one. And then it's got your gem picker upper on that side. I've never seen one with a lid, because they're always getting bumped and banged in my drawers and full of dust and bits. Isn't that better though, with a lid? I really like that. I like that a lot. Never seen them with a lid. And I got this. This is not really nail related, But I got this. This is a little craft knife. This is a little teeny tiny, look, can you see? Little craft knife, extremely sharp. And I got this for, you know, like when I print off vinyls and stickers and stuff, to cut around them really precisely, or cut around decals, stuff like that. Teeny tiny little craft blade knife. And it's got replaceable blades. Comes with 4 replaceable blades, and you just take the blade out like that, just like you would with a pen, but it's a teeny tiny blade. That's cool. So for any of you that does craft stuff, not nail related, but I like it. And this is not nail related either. I'm not going to open it. This is a glue tape. I don't know if any of you have seen the Tipex ones like these, where you swipe it across your paper and it does a white line of Tipex. Well, this is just glue. It's like double-sided glue, double-sided sticky tape, and it's got a little roll of sticky tape inside it there, and it's got a little roller, so you just roll it, hold it like this and roll it across your paper, and it leaves a little line of sticky tape. I thought I might try it. I want to start displaying some of my nails in my nail room, on the wall and stuff. And I thought I might be able to use it to stick my nails on. Depends how strong it is, but it was really cheap, and I thought I'm going to try that. Little glue dispenser. And I think you can buy refills for these as well. I'm not sure. They're cheap enough to buy just like that anyway. So I grabbed one of them to try. Right, I also got a couple of boxes of nail tips. So I got these ones. There's 500 in this box. And these are long Coffin. Oh, these look quite nice. These look like my kind of tips. So they're really nice, long, slim Coffin. I like them. I like them a lot. I don't use these so much on my nails, but on my practice hand, yeah, I like the length of them. They're not, they have got a C-curve, can you see? They've got quite a strong C-curve on them, and you can't flatten them either. They're quite stiff, very stiff at that tip. I like them. They're nice. And then I got these. This one's got 550, and these are medium almond. These are really cute little diddy things. Look at the size of these. I definitely wouldn't call them medium. I'd call them short, because they are they're not medium, they're definitely short, aren't they? Look at the size of them. They're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. They're teeny, and they're pre-etched inside. Can you see? They're pre-etched. No, they're not medium. They're definitely short. Very cute little snails. Oh. Let's have a look at the 0. Oh gosh, that's huge. I can never get tips to fit my thumb. And look at this. It's actually probably one size too big. Let me see the size 1. Oh wow. These are big, size 1. Even size 1 is probably... I would probably have to shave just 1 millimetre off each side of that. Let's have a look at the number 2. Yeah, number 2 is a tiny bit too small, but they're really big, size 0s. If anybody struggles with size 0s, here's a set for you, but they are short. They're not medium really, are they? Cool, I like them. Right, and I got these. I should have showed these in my last haul. My last haul was all rhinestones, but I forgot about these. So this is a luxury rhinestones kit. I did actually order transparent, and they've sent me AB. I have got loads of these, but I haven't got a lot of these in transparent, so I was really gutted when these turned up. But it's alright, it's fine. This is huge. So the top half, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are all different shapes and they're all individually bagged. All different shapes. I'm not going to get them all out today, guys. So these ones are teeny tiny little skinny, like, what do you call them? Like drip things. Really small ones, them ones. And we've got diamond shapes. Diamond shaped ones. We've got squares, love hearts, rhombus shaped. I like these as well because none of them are huge. We've got like teardrop size ones, rectangle. These are rhombus but slightly bigger. These are same as the first ones I showed you but slightly bigger. Rectangle, couple of different size rectangle ones. Oh, and we've got some half moons. And then these bottom ones, 2, 4, 6, 8, are all your standard round ones, all different sizes. 8 different sizes, so starting from that size, the big ones, it goes all the way down to these teeny tiny little dots. I don't even think they're SS3s, they look smaller than that. These are teeny tiny little dots, aren't they? Wow. They're pretty. And then you get a gem picker upper in the middle. It's got a protective lid, that's cool. So yeah, and I like this case. It's a really good quality one. Right, and then I got this. So this is a bling tray, but it's a bigger one. So these are the bling trays that I currently use. I've got these ones. These are off Amazon. This one's got 3 containers. And I've got these ones. These are a bit smaller, but you get 4 containers in these ones. These are the ones where I keep all my rhinestones at the moment. In these ones and these ones. Whereas this one doesn't have... You can't take the sections out of this. It's just like that, solid. But I liked this for big things like my kawaii charms and stuff. I thought could go in something like this. And things like my big, like pom-poms and just all silly stuff and big stuff that doesn't get used too often. I thought could go in this. I like it. Yeah, it's a big one. These are so cheap and they're just fantastic for storage, aren't they? Keeping things clean and dust free. I really like them. Right, I also got myself another stamping plate holder. I don't actually know which one this is. If it's for the plastic backed ones or not. Right, so it is. I like these ones. The ones where they load from the top, can never get them out. I do prefer these ones, so you can put one in there and you can put one in there. And these are for the bigger, they're not bigger plates, but some plates come with the plastic backing on and it makes them just that little bit wider and longer. So they can go in here. Or you can put the smaller ones in. You could put whatever you wanted in it, couldn't you? But yeah, all my books are filled up now. I needed another one. Oh, I'm glad it's this one of these ones. I couldn't tell from the pictures which one it was. So I'm happy with that, and it's pink. I got some decals. I have already got some of these, but I wanted some more of these in particular. I love these. I wanted more of them because you only get one square. And I wanted more of these graffiti ones. These ones were my favourite. These are really smart. But yeah, you only get one square of each design. So it comes with all these. Don't touch me. XOXO. Don't love me. And then we've got little crowns. More graffiti. Yeah, we've got snakes. These are cool as well. I like these. So I will just cut these out into squares and put them away in my folder with my others. Right, I got some Sticky Tac for my tip display stands. I think you could get it in white, green and blue, I think. Obviously I went for pink. So we got that. I got another folder for my decals for these. So this is just one of these folders, and you can put your decals. Each page holds 6 because you can put one in the back, in the front, and one in the back as well. So you can put 6 decals on each page, so you can just put them back to back. It's not a very thick folder. It doesn't hold as many as some of my others do, but it was really cheap. Any storage is welcome when it comes to nail art, isn't it? So I got another one of them. And lastly, I think this is going to have to be it for now. I have got a load more stuff, but I think everything else I've got is from Amazon. Yeah, everything else is from Amazon, I think. So I think I'll keep all the Amazon stuff separate and just leave this with Temu today. Right, I got a couple of different ones of these because I've seen people using some of them and they're so crap. And I didn't know which ones were the shit ones. So I went with them and these because they're different. And I can't wait to try these. I've been seeing these all over TikTok. And these are to use in jewel forms, I think. And they're supposed to be to help do French, like this, what I've got on my thumb, like that, but inside a jewel form. These are supposed to be like little silicone molds, and you put them inside the jewel form, and do the tip of your jewel form, and then you're supposed to be able to peel this off, and it gives you that crisp. I don't know. We'll have to try it. So I didn't actually know that this come with 4 different shapes. That's cool. So that one's pointed. So that one's going to be more like a stiletto one. Not a stiletto. Like a pointed nail bed. Right, so that's your short pointed nail bed. And then this one, I think, is your longer, like longer, slimmer kind of nail bed. And then these two, I think these are just regular, short and long maybe, I don't know. We'll have to give them a try. I haven't actually seen anybody use these successfully. I've watched a few videos where it's been a fail and they've just not been able to use them. So if anybody knows any videos where they've used these and they've worked, please send me the link so I can watch it. Right, and these ones are the same, but from a different brand or seller. Also, there's 2 in here as well. Short and long, I think. Not sure. But these ones look completely different material. Oh gosh, these ones are weird. Right, I think these are going to be the crap ones. What the hell are these? Right, I think these are going to be the rubbish ones. Oh gosh, they're so sticky. Right, we're going to have to try these. I can see these being a fail. These ones feel completely different to these ones. I think these are going to be the shit ones that I've watched people failing with. Because they feel really stretchy and jelly. Right, yeah. If anybody's got any videos, please send me the link so I can watch them before I have a go. That is going to be a fun video to do. Right guys, that is it, I think. That is it for today for Temu. So I think my next Temu haul, I will do products. I've not tried any products yet from Temu. I've done all the rhinestones and charms and things like that. Today's just a random one. But again, none of it's products. So I think next time I'm going to try some of the gel polish. Maybe polygel and hard gel, things like that. I think next time. If there's anything in particular you'd like me to try, let me know and I'll do my best to find some. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Links and everything will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.